This is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Let's go. Listen up. Did you see this? Did you see that Crypto.com just bought the naming rights to the Staples Center, spending over $700 million? Now, what does that mean for you? One, it means that crypto's not going anywhere. Two, it means that you right now have a cool opportunity to make a bunch of money in the crypto space there. And what I'm going to show here, it's going to be something crazy, right? So in the last 30 days, I did about maybe $300,000 to $400,000 here. And I'm going to show you how I did it. And I'm going to show you how you can get a piece of the pie. And now all you need to do is this. Sub to the channel if you see any value. Like the video if you like anything about Wesley, billion dollar virgin here. But I promise you, what I'm about to do, I'm going to log into accounts. And I'm going to show you how simple it is for you to start profiting right now with $0, making money in the crypto space, making money online with crypto. And as a matter of fact, all I want you to do is comment below. I can do this. This is worldwide. Doesn't matter where you are around the planet. You could be in Timbuktu. Doesn't matter. It works. Just pay attention, listen, and I promise you, you're going to be very happy at the end of the video here. So listen, the first step is to go to your Instagram account. Now listen, it doesn't take any followers. It doesn't matter how many followers you have. It doesn't matter if you have white teeth, dull teeth, pretty, ugly, tall, short. Doesn't matter here. This is my Instagram account. So don't focus on the 1.2 million followers. That's irrelevant to how it works here. Now, what you want to do with any Instagram account, I do suggest to create a new one. You can do it with this one or with your current one, but you can just create a new one, right? It works a little bit faster here. So what I want to do and what you should do is create a brand new account, and you can call it something like Crypto King, Crypto God, Crypto Girl, Crypto Boy, Bitcoin. Right now, one free Bitcoin, doesn't matter. But this is important. The ID has to be related. For you to make the most money right now, it has to be related to the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency stuff. Does that make sense? So listen, once you have their account, say, like me, I'm going to use my account because I got some followers here, a little bit here. I got a couple of people that's watching my stuff here. So this is what I want to do. Check it out. You type in crypto, okay? And right now is just the best time to do it and get in now. It's because it's still brand new. People are still confused about crypto. But listen, in 2022, there will be more billionaires made in 2022 than any other freaking year because of what's happening in the NFT crypto space, and it's insane here. So what you want to do here is you type in crypto here and you click on like cryptoofficial.com or whatever. So what you want to do is, it's so simple. You click on their followers, and what you do is follow. You follow, you follow, you follow, you follow all these people. Now, let me tell you why it's important. Because see, all these folks, and listen here, this is how you make the money here behind the scenes here. All these folks here, well, they're interested in crypto. That's why they follow the Crypto Official page here. Does that make sense? So you just follow, and you continue to do this. You type in crypto, like you say crypto punks here. Type this in, which is a cool NFT here. Watch this. And you just follow all these people. Again, just follow, follow, follow. What you're doing is you're following all these people because, you know, more than half of them are going to follow you back. Now, before you do that, you have to do something very, very special first, okay? So listen, you need to go back to your profile, okay? Go back here. This is my profile here because you need to do something special. What I want you to do is right here. You see this? I want you to copy this right quickly here. You see this where it says free Bitcoin and Ethereum machine? Copy that and put that in your bio right now. Don't put this link. I'm going to give you the link because this is how you bring in the money on autopilot. Does that make sense? Are you listening to me? I'm talking about bringing in money every single day. Wesley, show me proof. Let me show you. So the next step is to go to a site by the name of Warrior Plus. It's an insane site. I'm going to show you something cool. I'm going to log in to one of my accounts here because you might say, well, Wesley, are you really making money? Let me show you. This is my account here. And Warrior Plus is nothing but an affiliate platform. But right now they're banging, and these crypto offers are insane to the point that not only Do I believe in the crypto? I actually created a software that I'm going to show you what I did. Look at this. Let me show you something. Let me show you some numbers here, because I know you are a number person here. So look, if I go to stats here, and if I look at the last 30 days, look how much money I've brought in the last 30 days. Look at that, that's $267,000 here. That's insane, right? Now, listen, I'm not saying that you're going to bring that amount of money, but you can bring in a couple of $1,000s in the next 48 hours if you do what I do. This is what you need to do. One, create a free account in the World Plus. In the description below, I'm going to provide you with all the links, everything that you need, instructions, so you don't fail, okay? Once you do that, you go to offers here, okay? And if you scroll down to offers, you'll see that Crypto Pays, that's me, we're the number 2 offer right now on the platform. Actually, number 1, this guy just launched, but my offer right now is the basically number 1 offer on the platform right now because it was launched. You see that, 12/8. We have already did over 67,000 sales of people just like you, brand new people who are making money. And the great thing about this product, people love it. Let me show you why. The refund rate is only 4% out of 7,000 people that bought it, right? So now the question is, well, okay, Wes, how do I make money? Like this. Once you go and create your free account, you go to affiliate offers, scroll down here, click on Crypto Pays. Are you with me? Smash the like button if you get excited. Look at me. You see that beautiful smile on my face? It's because I'm making money with crypto here. And check it out. All you need to do is click here where it says generate your link. Okay? Because you need to get your affiliate link. As a matter of fact, let me log into my other account so you guys can really see it here. Okay? Give me a second. I have more than one account. Let me show you my other account here. Give me 1 sec. I said 1 sec. Look, check it out. I'm going to log in here. And I'm going to be very transparent with you guys. I want you to see all the money. Let me, you guys want to see the money? Smash the like button if you want me to show you the money. Look, let me show you. Let me show you the transactions here. And let's go back the last 30 days. I just want you to see that this is so real. And I did this in 30 days. And not only that, I've showed other people this exact technique that I'm showing you right here, okay, right now. You see this? Watch this. Look at that. It's $156,000 in the last 30 days there. Look at that. That's $156,000 here. That's another account basically dealing with this Crypto Pays product here. So you go to affiliate offers here. Okay, you scroll down. You're going to see my offer right now, either number 1 or number 2. You click on get link. Now listen, you got to get approved. Just for you watching this video right now, I'm going to approve you in the next 24 hours. All you need to do is click it, and it's done. I will approve you because I have to approve every affiliate here. And listen, the average person that I approve, they make over $1,000 the first day because they follow exactly what I give them. Okay? So this is going to be your affiliate link. This is how you get paid. Well, Wesley, how does the money go to my bank account? Look, go to wallet here. You see here? This is money. You see that right there? If you click on that, I can just withdraw those funds right now if I want to. That money is going to come to your wallet every single day. Imagine just doing this. Just saying, you know what? Screw it. 2022 is going to be a better year, and I'm going to follow what Wesley is sharing with me, and I'm going to do it until I win. So once you do that, let's go back to affiliate offers here because I'm going to show you how to make the connection from the Instagram page here, okay? Listen. So you go here. You get your link, okay, which is here. You copy and paste that. And you want to take that link to what is called bit.ly.com, right? Many of you know about bit.ly.com. You paste it because you want to shorten the link because that look funky. That look crazy. But that looks sexy, okay? Copy that. And then you want to go back to your Instagram page, okay? It's so simple. Like we almost done. I got about 5 seconds. Look at this. Then what you want to do is make sure you put this in your bio where it says the link right here. What you want to do is put your affiliate link right here. See this? Just put it here. Boom. You put it right there. When they click on that, they're going to go straight to the offer, and you're going to make money here, okay? So I'm going to go back here. You do a brand new post. That's important. And like I said, in the description below, I'm going to give you all the images, everything you need. Basically, everything that you just saw in this video here. Select from computer here. And then this is the image. I'm going to give you the image that I'm using with other people, brand new people that are becoming affiliates for this program every single day, such as brand new people, moms, dads, people that have a 9-to-5 job. People are insane. I'm going to show you proof here. Look at that. I choose it. And that's what you're going to post right here, okay? You see this? That's what you're going to post right here. 1 Bitcoin for free. You're going to post that on your profile. And then what you want to do for the caption is click the link in my description. And listen, once you do that, then you go out and follow all these people, okay? What is the first thing that people do when you get followed by somebody? They check your profile every time. I'm telling you, smash the like button if you agree. Whenever you follow anybody, whenever you follow people, these people are going to be like, who is this? Who is this? And if your username says free Bitcoins, if your username says free crypto cash, then obviously they're going to say, oh, well, what is this all about, right? You have a cool picture of a Bitcoin there. They're going to see that first post, which is going to be a Bitcoin post here. And they're going to go to your bio, and they're just going to click it, okay? And see, the great thing about it, not only will they click it, then they're going to follow you, okay? Makes sense? They're going to follow you. They're going to hit the follow button and start to follow you right now. And see, the great thing about it, the more people that you follow, the more money you make. This is a funnel. And then what starts to happen, you start to have money in your crypto account here. I mean, in your Warrior Plus account. Let me show you something. Let me show you how many people are coming in every day doing exactly. These are my students here. And listen, you can be my student to make your first $1,000. And I want you to reach out to me. Let me show you something here. Watch this. Because I want to show you proof that people are actually making money. Because you might say, well, Wesley, are people making money? Look, vendor, affiliates. Look at this. That's over 3,000 current affiliates here. And I'm approving them every single day. I want to approve you. And I got to approve you. If not, you don't make any money here. But if you look in here, if I would click here, it's going to take too long to do that. But we have a ton of people that is not just getting started, but they're making a ton of money. When I'm like this, why not when you hit your wallet, $15,000 penny in this other account ready to be paid out to me? Why not you? Listen, follow everything I just did in the video. You can do it in the description below under this video. I am very detailed. I give you all the links that you need. I give you the images. You can do this right now, and I promise you, you will see sales coming in over and over again. I mean, transactions coming in over and over and over again in your account, and you'll realize that you could be independently wealthy in the crypto space. And you can use all the money that you're making here to buy your free Bitcoin. You can buy your car. You can buy your house. You can buy you whatever you want. But listen, you must take action. Hey, this is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Like the video if you got any value. Sub to the channel, because I'll see you tomorrow. Let's go.